Here's the V-PS-2, small black box, power indicator, fault indicators for both of the power supplies for the two keypads. On the back, again, receptacles for the Phoenix terminals and a standard plug-in. Some key slots for mounting it on a board or a stud. And here's the wires coming from our keypads. Remember one, we had Cat5, I remembered the polarity, and I put the Phoenix on, so that's ready to go. And here's the speaker wire coming from the one that we just installed. Again, tied the green and white back, we're not using them. No stray conductors, and let's put the last terminal on. Again, mark for polarity, start with the negative, tighten it, and the positive. No, stray conductor. And we'll snug it down. Those are ready to go. So now we'll just insert the Phoenix terminals into the back of the power supply. Through the magic of editing, here's our power supply to the wall. When we plug it in, you can see that the power indicator lights up green, and the fault indicators are cleared. We don't have anything installed yet. Okay, let's install our keypads. No fault. And no fault there either. Our keypads should be powered up. Thanks for watching.